NVCT. I saw Bunman was trading NVCT. I wonder if it's possible to change the font on the option chain and light speed. Option chain 12. $0.44 a share to borrow. That's a lot of money to borrow. Hey, good morning, making cheddar. Yeah, I see he's up, what, $4 now? All right, what's on watch? NVCT for sure. SOPA, UCL. Bunman's taking very small share size compared to what he used to. I think he doesn't want to push it. He's probably rusty after vacation. So what that means for me is I'm not gonna see the pump push. Because his incompetency is actually translates into the smaller moves. Because his followers are not going to do the same thing. I mean, they're going to do the same thing. They're not going to do what they used to do, when he load up what 20-30,000 shares. Oh, look at this. This is crazy. So NVCT, let's watch. Not gonna trade the open though. 861. Open in 10 seconds, 61. Light speed, I don't know. I don't even want to take a light speed. There he goes. 61. Watch for a dump to get in. There's a dump, maybe potential spot of a VWAP here. Watching. 32, 36, 32, still 36, 20. It's pushing back down. It's dumping. That's exactly what I was waiting for, dump. UCL is moving NVCT, VLDR. BKKT is actually moving decently. So if you're into that, BKKT. So BKKT. Halt is at 590 right now. I'm watching for BKKT to just give it a push over the 45 into the 50. What else is moving? NVCT, yep, still moving. Red to green on NVCT potentially. Over 45 BKKT on volume pop. High is 55, so 10 cents. There it goes. Let's see. Let's wait for the pullback. There's a pullback here. I'm in here and BKKT. I'm in at 45. I'm out. It's dumped. So NVCT. Watch NVCT over 50. It's a little spready. Spready and poppy. Oh geez, I forgot to change my... Alright, so my PNL not showing. Let me fix my, well, let me see if there's anything moving because I don't want to miss on the move by fixing PNL. There's a potential area for red to greens here. CFVI, no. Facebook pushing. Netflix setting up for something. I wouldn't trade false halt in this. Yeah, it halted. Okay, trying to fix the PNL. Hey, what's up, Sergey? Why is my TOS PNLs not showing? 750. I have like a freaking window. So 750 is my PNL right now. And I need to use down 750. Alright. Fix my PNL. I think I'm all set. Let's see if we have any red to green moves. TLRY, red to green. Facebook is also setting up nicely for that break of 223. SOPA on watch. SOPA, I don't know. 30, there's volume. Over 31, I'm in. There's a new 1 minute candle, break of 31. Is it a strong stock or is it gonna sell off? There's a seller at 29, I don't like it. Still watching it. There's this descending resistance here. Over 30. So let's keep an eye on it. What else is moving? "15 seconds. I'm in it. There it goes. That's good. Pull back here, pull back off of 30 and push back up to 36. Watch 40 now. It's not pulling back that low. Watch that 40 into that VWAP. Well, 5 minute resistance is at that. So it's a strong resistance area, right? It broke our mini resistance line, but let's watch 40 here in 15 seconds. There it goes. So if it's a strong stock, then I'm in here for a break of 50 into that VWAP. There it goes. BKKT actually did the move that I was expecting. It just took a little while for it. 42. I'm in here for the bounce of a VWAP. I'm in at 42.7. I want to see break of that 50. It's got to hold this. There it goes. There it goes. Are you going to break 50? I want to see 47, 48 break. I want to see volume. 15 seconds. I like it. I'm in. 47. It's basing. Red, I'm out. Watching, I'm in. I'm in at 45.6. There it goes. There's 50. Is it gonna break 50? No, it's not. It's red. So watching 50 break here. 5-minute candle in 35 seconds for a break of 50. It might go before that. Just keep an eye on level 2. BLDR is flat top setting up. SOPA bouncing of that VWAP. Look for continuation. Netflix just broke that high of day. AREB, actually good calls here, get there to $4, $4.20. It's probably, it has 700,000 shares per one candle. That's a, wow. What the hell? 22,000 share float? It can't be. It was a 700,000 share 1 minute candle. Something's up with that stock. I don't know, but something's up. I don't know. Let's see. Are we gonna get anything here? Arab. I'm gonna try see what kind of fills I get on it. So 415. What's the spread on it? Spread is 8 cents, 10 cents. Okay, let me do 25 shares and see what kind of fills I get. 410. Very choppy and bouncy. SOPA is actually not looking bad right now, guys. It could be setting up for that break of 54. Let's have that 54. Its VWAP is also 54, so keep an eye on it. So 49, let's watch for that bounce into that 54. 10 seconds. I'm in at 51. I'm gonna see if it's gonna go higher. There it goes. Okay. It didn't go that higher. Let's see. 1 cent loss. I got a bad fill on it for sure. Let's watch 54 here. Let's watch the bounce. I'm in here for the bounce. I'm in at 48. Resistance. I want to see that VWAP. I want to see the break of VWAP. CFVI. What else we have? SOPA. Wow, that's laggy. SOPA bouncing off that VWAP. It could still break. I'm in here for the break of VWAP. I'm in 46. I want to see it break that VWAP. It's definitely basing here. Let's see 49.50 break. No, I'm out. Let's watch it. I'm in. 53. Okay, out at 50. In at 51, out at 55. It's TOS is definitely giving you at least a second for the fill. So if that stock flushes, while that second is lasting, because second for reaction time is a lot. So if during that second the stock flushes, you're screwed. So let's watch 415 on AREB. It doesn't look good. I just don't understand how you can have 700,000 share candle on a 11,000 float stock. And my float's probably way off on TradingView. You saw that float, right here. It's saying 22.48k. So that something's off for sure. SOPA 54. I'm in. There it goes. Let's see 60. Nice. 62. Did I get out at 61.5? Okay. I have to jump off around 10. Netflix actually popping, so SPY is ranging right now. CFI, nothing else is moving. Well, there goes SOPA. Hit 70. What's the pre-market? Well, pre-market. So there's definitely going to be a resistance right here. So there's a post-market high, which could also be a resistance. Then there's a micro resistance here. And the rest of it is just going to be high of day. So we have, this is what we have. This is strong. SOPA 5. I'm in. It's going to halt. I'm in at 91. It's going to halt. Yep. That's what I told you, it's going to halt. I got out right at the halt. Do you guys get that 20 cents? Damn, you had to be fast on this one. Imagine, so now I need to figure out, well, not I need to figure out, but see, I had everything set up for this stock, right? My chart was set up, my order window was set up, my level 2 was set up. My light speed was set up, so I saw the halt level. I saw the level 2 on light speed. And my chart was set up, and my order window in TOS was set up. That's why I was able to get in. But imagine if I didn't have that up, and all I saw was, you know, alerts on my scanner. That's not enough. Not enough time for me to get in. And even then, when I saw it popping over 50, I was like, okay, it's probably going to bounce here. But then, you know, we spent some time talking about the resistance levels. And all of a sudden, you just completely ignore all these micro levels. Because I didn't believe in the stock. I thought it was much weaker than that. That's why I set up those micro resistance levels. And obviously, they mean nothing now. And The only thing right now is the bounce back from VWAP. The resumption right now is flat, so that's also concerning. Still flat resumption, 515. So look out for the dip and rip setup. I know Bondman's going to be looking at it. It's going to be quick though. Resumption is going to be at 52.34. Peloton, I don't have it on watch, Sergey. Missed that nice breakout of the 3180. Potentially, right? Here we have a bounce from the EMAs here. So you're looking at 3285 break. Peloton. So we broke that. See, I'm freaking slow. I'm so slow that it is ridiculous how slow I am. I'm in here. I'm thinking it's gonna go to 40. I'm in at 22. I want to see 40. There you go. It's basing here. There's 40. I'm out. See, that's stuck. If I didn't fumble with my, I'm pissed off. I literally just called out that break. Like, I need to figure out, like, this is unacceptable. It takes at least what, 30 seconds for me to set up all this, the ticker. Like, it's unacceptable. SOPA, look for a dip and rip. Small share size, 75 share size. Let's watch 517. There it goes. There's a rip. Let's see if it holds that 30. 24. I'm in here again. I want to see the rip. No, I'm out. There goes the rip. Pull back. I'm in here. I want to see the above 24, 25. I'm in at 19. Will it push over? There it goes. There's a push. Let's see if it's going to try again. There it goes. Over 30 now. No. So 37. Watch 35. I'm in here. I'm in at 24. I'm out. I don't like the way it's just pushing back and forth, back and forth. So Peloton was a really, really nice setup. Good call, Sergey. I think you're watching something there. Which scanners are you watching? Do you have trade ideas or what are you watching? Because I feel like you have the same mindset of the setups. Watch Peloton per second here. The 20, 27 into 30. I'm in here for 1 minute new high. I'm in at 27. Let's see, is it gonna break 30? There it goes. I need 30 break. Nope. $17. Watch that 30 break though. 22. Might be in the pullback area, so let's watch and see. $18. It's holding. I'm in here. I might be in a little high. I'm in at 25. Let's see if it's gonna go 37. No, it's not going 37. There you go. Now it's 40. Oh wow, 60. Beautiful moves. 34.80 is the halt. It's not. I'm in here for the pullback. Break of 34. I'm in at 84. I'm out. I got in a little high, to tell you the truth. There it goes. There's 34. I'm in here. Beautiful break of 34 here. It did look like it was basing out, right? Because every time it pushed, it was being bought up. CFVI flat top. Keep an eye on this. CFVI. Halt is at 1611. I'm in here in CFVI for the break of 80. I'm in at 77. New 1 minute candle. There it goes. 85, 90. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, right? 95. So I just missed out on. Oh wow, 15. Beautiful setup, guys. Hopefully you caught that. Watch for bounce here. Oh, that's too much. SOPA is curling. Facebook flat top setting up. I gotta jump off, guys. I'll be back in like 30 minutes. Might be back early. I don't know. We'll see. Have some stuff to check in for, and if it's not too much, then I'll be back. I'll be back. All right, guys, what did I miss? Look at CFVI. Wow, beautiful CFVI, guys. Did you trade CFVI? Let's watch for the continuation setups here. The 82 level looks good. Let's watch for level 2 volume and look at the timer. Let's see. There it goes, the 75. Whoa, something's really up with this. I'm in here. I'm in at 75. Let's see if it's going to continue here. 76, 4 seconds. 73, 71. 75. Continuation setups. No. I'm out. Still watching. I'm in here. No, never mind. Dang. Something's up with my level 2. It's like acting up. Still watching continuation. Could be strong. It's a small volume on the pullbacks. That's what I like. SOPA is 580. BKKT set up nicely. Peloton is also approaching that level. Watch for the 65 here. Not 65, I'm sorry, 80. 85, pullback. I'm in here. I'm in at 85. Will we see 16? I'm in here more. Out. Watching. 77. 70, 60, 68. No, I don't like this. The candle pulled back too much. Give back too much. SOPA. SOPA is gonna be a quick 78 here on SOPA. 75, 78. Watch this. CFVI, of course. As 90 on CFVI. I'm in here. I want to see that 16. There's some buying. I want to see that 91. I'm in at 82. 86. There you go. Will we see 16? There it goes. Beautiful. Out. Peloton. Keep an eye on Peloton, guys. Peloton. 54. Break of 67. So break of 70. Into the 80. Pull back a lot. BKKT was a nice setup. Still watching Peloton. 10 seconds. I'm in here. I'm in at 57. I want to see that 63 break, 64. Nice. Okay. Keep an eye on that 70 break. BKKT continuation setup at 60. Break of 60. Peloton break of 70 looks really good, guys. It's going to be a strong break. Tesla puncturing the VWAP. So watch 70 break on Peloton. I'm here. I'm in. I like the. No, never mind. I'm in here. I'm in at 68. It's horrible fill, but I'm looking for that 70 break. No. It looked good for that 70 break. I'm in here. I'm in at 54. No, I'm out. See, keep giving profits back. 70. I want to see that curl. I'm in here for the curl. I'm in at 51 over 70. Curl for the 70, guys. There it goes. Let's see. 60. Is it gonna curl? All I need is a burst of volume. There it goes, 65. Will we go over 68? Watch this. I want to see that break of 75.80. It's holding 70s, pulling back too much. But it might break. If it breaks, it's going to push up. No. It's giving back a decent amount of money each trade in Peloton. They had that high potential when it was hitting that 71, 72. I got out at 58. DCFC, I saw it popping on the scanner. That's a gap. So that it halted at 8:45 and resumed. Wow. DCFC. Halt is at 84. 25 shares. 20-cent spread. Over 50. There it goes, 50. I missed it. 96. Halt is at 96. Let's watch if the halt's gonna move up here. Because right now I still see wait, yep, can't. I wanted to get in. I thought that halt actually moved up. That was actually free money too, guys, if you're into that. CFVI, are we gonna pop over 1613 or no? Peloton. Peloton, no. CFVI. Let's see what CFVI wants to do over 16 here. $41. Are we going to bounce here or no? I'm in here. I'm in at 91. 10-cent spread. It's almost at 16. The bid is at 89. It's insane. That's crazy. I'm in here, break of 16. Break of 16, there it goes. I'm out. Oh wow. Could have been much better. Fell at around 10, 16.10. Peloton, it happened. Peloton, it happened, guys. And I wasn't there. And I wasn't there to write it. How do you just like sit there and watch it happen, right? I'm in here. I'm in at 31. So let's see if it's a good average. I'm gonna keep it right now. It's not breaking 40 for some reason. Yeah. It's pulling back. Still potential for a pullback area here. No doubt. CFEI 1620. 44 here in Peloton. Watch 36, 38. Watch for the pullback here. 37, 38, 41. It's not pulling back. I missed it. It didn't give me a setup. 1624 on CFVI. $30 seconds. CFVI is a little spready. It's one thing that I don't like about CFVI. Peloton's definitely missed that move, guys. 24. Where's my music? Where's my music not playing? There we go. Ha, I missed CFVI. Was fumbling with my music. That's what you get. Red to green. Missed 2 trades right now. Decent trades too. So watch 50 here. CFEI, I'm watching that basing out here. Let's see what it wants to do. Pull back. I'm in here. Let's see if it's gonna base. $23, $24. There you go. I'm in at 22. So let's see if it's gonna break 30. There it goes. That's good. Out at 38. Not bad, not bad. Could have waited 40. Let's wait. Let's watch that 40. There's a 40 break coming. Okay, keep an eye on this. 38, 34. That's a tough area. I wouldn't touch this area. DCFC. Are you guys making $1 a share on those pops? I keep hitting the microphone. Peloton. 80. I'm in here on Peloton. Nope, out. Woo, that was a rough one. So I'm still watching 80, the first 1 minute pullback. 67. What's the high here? 74. I'm in here. I'm in at 75. Let's see if it's strong enough to push over 80. It's sitting there. There it goes. There's 80, 84. Pull back. I'm in. I'm in at 71. Woo. And that's what I was talking about. When I entered, it's already flashed downwards, and I didn't know where my entry was, and I thought I was like around 50, and I was at 71. So, and that's why, and I don't know if it's intentional by Thinkorswim, because I literally, I saw me entering around 56, so I thought my entry was around 55. So that was what, a $30 move, $30 loss. Hey Marcel, what's up, man? I know, you keep pushing me making larger share size, but it's the comfort zone, man. You know, if you feel comfortable trading that share size, watch the Peloton again. I got screwed by Peloton, but I don't know. CFVI may be a better move here on 78 here on Peloton right now. I don't know. Peloton I don't trust anymore. 5 minute candle looked kind of ugly. Peloton, you really have to get in on the micro pullback. There you go, 70. Let's see how it's going to do 70, 75. I'm in. I'm in at 74. It has to push above 90. It's not. Dang it, I saw 82, 84. And now I see 90. 97. I'm in here. I'm break of 35. I'm in at 94. 35 right here. Out. I'm so pissed off at myself that I'm not capitalizing enough on this stock, on these moves. I am definitely, I have this tendency to get out on a small little burst of red volume, which affects my overall P&L, I feel like, but it also sometimes saves me from bigger dumps. So how do I balance the fact that I get out too quickly and the fact that I get saved from the dump, and then also I miss out on a continuation move of around 15-20 cents? Like in this case right now, my exit was at 35.07 and I saw 20 easily, 25 maybe. So so right now I'm talking about 13 cents miss out versus I made 11 cents. I could have made 24 cents. So $0.25. Let's watch for that 34.80 right now. I mean 35, sorry, 35.10. I don't know why I said 34.80. There is a 10 pullback. I don't like this. It's still 30 seconds into the 1 minute. There it goes, 22. It's going without us. It's going without us. See, that's the move I wanted to be in and get out. Like, I'm not touching the break right now with 36. DCFC, watch for that pullback from VWAP. It might pop here. Watch for that 1080 break into the 11. Easy money here if it pops. DCFC, guys, 25 shares, 65. I'm in here. What's my fill? 83. That sucks. $75. Yeah. You saw that, right? I don't know if you see my hand. I raised my hand when, like, it literally took me, what, 5 seconds, 3 seconds for a TOS to show me that I got filled at something. And I wanted to know what it was. It's like, is it 70? Is it 90? It was 83, and the high was 84. And Marcella, to your point, that's exactly why I took 25 shares, because I'm not going to take 2,500 shares on this trade without knowing how the fills are, without knowing what kind of executions I get. I'm not comfortable watching 32 Peloton. 25, 26, 30 pullback. Is it going to give us pullback? 34. It's not giving us pullback again. 45. Watch 50 here. 47. I'm so FOMOing right now, but anyway, I'm not touching it because I should have been in the 30s. I'm not touching that 50. It looks beautiful right now. Like right now, 50 is looking good. 45, 43. Okay, maybe not. So going back to the share size, in a favorable market with a favorable execution, I don't mind increasing my share size. Because so for example, like right now, Peloton, you saw my P&L jumps around. I don't see a favorable market condition for Peloton to increase my share size. You have to understand, with share size increase, your execution will suffer. So to compensate for the execution issues or execution gap that TOS will provide with larger share size, you need to be confident that it's a strong setup and strong market conditions. Because essentially you'll have to pay TOS that slippage, that difference. With 25 shares, 75 shares, 125 shares, 250 shares, I feel like they route you to a different bus. You get on one of those, I don't care type of bus. When you start trading like 2,500 to 20,000 shares, then it's kind of like, I gotta actually accommodate this guy with volume. So now I gotta search for volume, and all those things are taking time. I feel like that's why TOS will probably screw you. And we talked about it earlier too. I wouldn't trade more than 800 shares on scalps like this. I'm not happy the way executions are. Like, I have the best computer there is right now on the market. I built the computer last week. It's the best computer, best components on the market right now. So it's not your computer that causes the fills. It's obviously a broker. So CFVI potential setup here. 1592. Too early in the 1 minute, but volume slow down, bounce. I don't know. CFVI. Peloton looks strong, but it's no longer giving setups like it did earlier. There's a push right here at 95. Let's watch CFVI. $91, $95. I'm in here. No, I'm out. I don't like it. I'm in here for the break of 93, 95. 87 is my entry. There you go. Break of 16. Will we see it? There's red. 83. Break of 16. It happened. See, that's another thing. You saw me. I was getting out, but I mean, I got out. I wasn't getting out. I got out, and I literally lost 7 cents. Now I lost more than that, 10 cents. Netflix is popping. SPY is popping. SPY is that set up here. Whoa! Did you guys see this? 1672 is the halt. I'm in here. I'm in at 41. Will it halt? There it goes, 40. No, I'm out. I'm in. Let's see if it's gonna hold. I'm in at 32. $36. Will we pop to 60 again? No, we're not. $15 seconds. 45. 36, 39. I'm in here. I'm in at 42, which is not really good fill. I'm in for the break of 40. No, I'm out. That was a flat fill, which is really nice. So break of 40, still watching. 22 seconds. I like it. It might go here without me. I'm in at 37. I don't like the fill for sure. No. That fill was kind of crappy. Let's see. I'm fishing here. As long as it's not going to flush. 35 is entries. Horrible entries. Filling me on ass. So they're buyers. I'm in here for the break of 40. I'm in here again. There it goes. Will we see? I'm in at 38. Keep watching. 37. I'm out. I'm in. I'm in here. I like it. Come on, 39, 40. No. 45. Let's keep an eye on this. Peloton popped again. So many setups, good guys. SOPA, beautiful setups. And I'm taking the worst setups possible right now. $60 Peloton is beautiful. Tesla broke that VWAP. $34. I don't like the spread on CFVI, but am I in at 40? I'm in at 34, which is good. Let's see if we're gonna continue to that 50. There it goes, 50, 60, 54. So it gave me 54 exit. 65, 40 seconds. Is it gonna pop here? 5-minute setup at 76. I'm in here. No, I'm out. I'm out. See, I can't even get out. The freaking. It might be on the backside. CFVI. Keep watching here. 54. There it goes. There's a push. There's a push. 68. Are we gonna get pullback here? I'm in here for the push higher. I'm in higher. No. I'm in at 52. All right, 50, 59. Let's see how it's gonna do that here. 52. I'm in more. Break that 60. 53 is my average. Will we pull one more time? I'm out at 63. Watch here. 63. I'm in. Over 70. I'm in at 61. Watch. Watch 63. Watch for green. I'm in here. Watch 66, 65. Break of that 70. Out. Still watching. I'm in. Break of that 70. It's building up. Beautiful. I need a higher pop. 65 is my entry. It's building up. 65. 55. We're in a pullback. I really was hoping it's gonna pop over that 79. I was up on this. I was up 10 cents. And I lost 10 cents. I was too confident that it's gonna break, and it didn't. Peloton is actually looking not bad, guys. Peloton 69 set up here. I'm in here on Peloton. I'm in at 43. Wow. Peloton just decided to give me a 10-cent profit and then take 20 cents away from me. So 30-cent swings here on Peloton. Still watching that 50. I want to see 36.50. I don't like that 5-minute candle, but BKKT is also not bad. Does Tesla even have any setups? Tesla does have setups. So what is do we want to watch Tesla here for the BKKT is actually looking really good, but it's at the highs. The volume, that 1-minute volume candle was really nice. $62. I don't know what these levels are from. 66. Keep going back to that freaking Peloton that's taking my money away. Tesla, 10 shares. Continuation of that pop over 912. I'm in here on Tesla. Wait, I'm not in Tesla. I'm in Peloton. 10 shares on Peloton. Yeah. Good thing I didn't get in on Tesla. That would have been $1 loss. CFVI, potential setup here. $16.23 on CFVI. I'm in. Out. Plus 4 cents here. Five minutes setup in 3.5 minutes. 24 is the high. I'm in here for the break of that 24. 33 seconds. I'm in at 19. I'm out. It's basing, I'm in. Is the bid gonna move? $25. So 33. Tesla. Let me try to get a hang of Tesla. $11.90 on Tesla. And $12.75. CFVI is actually not looking bad. I'm in here on CFVI, break of that 25. I'm in at 22. It's not bad. Out at 31, even though I saw 33 on the bid. And obviously it was probably higher. It was 40 on the ask. So 40 is the 5-minute setup on CFVI. Tesla is actually looking really nice right now. 32 seconds at 13.25. I'm in. I'm in at 13.17, and I'm out. Whoa! Whoever took some juicy shares, right, options right now, congratulations. Look at this, $3 a share. Watch for that continuation momentum push. I'm in. I'm in at 60. No. You can win $1 or you're gonna lose $1. I keep going back to this pullback trading because of the habit of low float. But I realized that when Tesla and Netflix on a pullback, it's like a freight train going down. For it to stop, it takes a while. So when you feel like it's stopping, like, you know, the level 2 is bouncing, guess what? It's just they're pushing the brakes, but the momentum, that energy, right, going down because it's so heavy, it's hard to stop. CFVI, let's keep an eye on this. 5 minutes set up at 40. I'm in here. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have got in. I'm in at 26. Yeah, I don't like that set. I really got shafted here. 5 minutes setup is looking good. If it's a strong stock, it's got to hold here though. It's definitely got to hold here. It's 27, 25. So one minute setup, 18, 17. I'm in here. I want to see it pop over 25. No. Dang it. Well, it's flat. It's not bad. Tesla is actually setting up for this. I'm in Tesla. I'm in at 02. No. Still watching. I'm in here at 26. Oh, there it goes, 95. Let's see if it's gonna pop here. I like this. That's good. That's a good fill. See, like if I could control, and I think I can control fills with DAS, or I can control fills with the light speed. So 5 minutes setup is right now at 1468. But it's still 2 minutes to go, so we're still at its infancy. BKKT, guys. BKKT set up at 63 is coming. Gotta see that volume. Tesla broke that 5 minutes setup. Never mind. Disregard that. New 5 minutes setup brewing at 1547, so 1550 break. But it's going to be at the highs here, and it's still 1 minute and 15 seconds to go. Guys, if you're watching, please hit a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you a thing, but it helps me tremendously. So watch 47, 1550 break here. Definitely got to be on the right side of Tesla. If you're on the wrong side of Tesla, you're gonna get run over. Have you seen those videos where the car gets run over by a train? You remember what happens after from what happens to that car? Yeah, that's what's gonna happen to you if you're on the wrong side of Tesla. 20 seconds, 1461 is the 1 minute setup. It's pulling back too much right now. I'm still watching BKKT for that setup, and I'm watching am I watching CFVI? Maybe. CFVI right now kind of on a back burner. I'm in here at Tesla at 23. That's nice. Watching 15 here, 1525. Out, I was at 14. I'm in here more. Out. I got out at 1589 and I see 1725 right now. Watch for Tesla setup here. Over 18. Pull back too much. I'm not getting in on pullback. We just talked about it. BKKT, guys, go back real quick. BKKT 64. I'm in at 65. 62. Pull back. Are we gonna bounce or is it gonna continue pull back? It's gonna continue pull back. That's a decent loss. That's a $16. How much was I down? 7 on it? Man, it looked good. Looked at that 65 because 64 was high. 65, it traded at 65 for a second. That's where I got in. Maybe my order was the 65. That's hilarious. Peloton leadership changes. Uphill climb on CNBC right now. BKKT, I'm still looking at it. 5 minute is in 1 minute and 35 seconds. Tesla. I'm in Tesla. 27. 36. I'm out. Did I lose like... I lost $1 on that. Sheesh. You know, losing $1 in Tesla is nothing. Wow, look at that pullback on CFVI. $61. Nothing's moving. SOPA, volume pop. Tesla is 1750. It's gotta break that 1750 on Tesla. I literally lost less than like 80 cents. $25 on SOPA. Pull back. 51. There's a pullback. 21. I'm in here. I'm out. Let's watch for the volume coming in. I'm in. No. It's one of those times where you're just not getting follow throughs and you're just churning shares. 63 on BKKT. I'm in here. I'm in at 61. 54. Is it gonna go? 1 minute setup is coming. $65. I'm looking for 65. I'm not getting 65. There it goes. 65. 64. Yeah, that average entry would have been really nice. I'm in here. $63.5. There it goes. Nice. 70. Yes, no? Heavy. Oh yeah, it did get me 65 and I saw 68. Hey Ski, congrats man. $100, that's awesome. Thanks for jumping in. Hit a thumbs up if you don't mind. 66. I'm watching that for next leg up. I'm in. Will we see 70? I'm in at 67, which optimally you would want to see 65, not 67 on my feel. Thank you, man. How's your week been so far? How was yesterday for you? I saw RT's recap. He made like 28 bucks or something. $68, $70. Watching for 70 break. I'm in. Same exact feel like last time, and I bet same thing's gonna happen. The algos are taking over for lunches, right? I'm in more. I like that build up in volume. It did move up on the ask, and volume all of a sudden stopped. There it goes. Will we see 70? There it goes. 69.5 only. Thanks, brother. I appreciate it, man. How are you guys doing? Are you guys up making cheddar? Marcella, Ski, Clive, Sergey, are you guys up today? Watching 71 here. The 5 minutes set up at 71, but it's so extended that it needs to be really strong. There it goes. There's the break, right? Let's watch. There it goes. 72. But see 73, so maximum what, 2 to 3 cents. But you know, the gains might not be that high, but the confidence level of that setup is high. The resolution of that setup is very high. The percentage of that is going to resolve towards your direction is high, versus the ones that are like, you remember when buying, like, not remember, but think about buying after the halt resume or into the halt. It's a gamble, right? It's not 100% gamble, but there is a high probability of that stock to just drop, and for no reason, you know, because the swings are so high, 80 cents swings. In this scenario, yeah, it's slow and it's boring. It's like watching paint dry. But the thing is, you can watch that burst on volume, and if you just have enough patience and strength to do that throughout the day, you can watch that level to pop, and then is it going to continue to pop? Is it going to be supported? So those initial burst of buyers, are they going to be supported by a second burst of buyers? So, and that's your risk. If your risk is pretty much, if there is no second burst of buyers, you get out. That's it. And if you were quick enough and you got in like a mid between the bid and the ask price of that initial burst of buyers, so you're going to be good. You're going to be at least flat. So your risk, right, is very low to potentially gain something. You're not risking anything. It's like a free trade for potentially gaining something. Yeah, the gains are not there, maybe 1 to 2 cents, but hey, everybody have their own strategy, right? So it's not for everybody. Everybody's like, I was watching this guy on YouTube, his recent channel. He's showing that he's making $600,000. Like, for him, you know, $30, $40, $50,000, but he's never showing live trades. He's just basically like showing you the, I don't know. I feel like it's all sketchy. I mean, yeah, people are interested in that stuff. Imagine making 600K in one day. Most people don't make that in a year. I'm gonna show you the guy I'm talking about. BKKT still a good setup coming up over 71, but here I'm gonna show you the guy I'm talking about, and is just upsetting. And he's gaining subscribers on the left and the right. So this is the guy I'm talking about. See it? And the 600,000 right here. Nor trades right here. $600,000. Profit day trading stocks, guys. So if you're into that stuff, you know, please unsubscribe from my channel and subscribe to his channel. Because if you're oblivious and if you're just blind, you know, you're welcome. You know, pay for his chat and sit there and expect him to hold your hand to make $600,000. I don't think so. It's not happening. Be for real, man. Be for real. Tesla. 25 shares, Tesla. I don't like the swings on Tesla. This candle is what, 18 to 16, so $2 candle. Oh, congrats, Key, on the 3 digits today. All right, let's watch Tesla. $18.66, $18.50. Still watching $18.50 break. It's gonna be tough. I might take it with 10 shares. I'm not, because I'm gonna risk my entire profit if it's not gonna go my way. Watch it here. Watch it here. Pulling back too much. Where's Jeff? Jeff hasn't logged in a while. Jeff is probably in Colorado snowboarding again. He just made his 100K in like a couple days, right? And then he went snowboarding. 1750 area into the 1850. Okay, never mind. 18 area. So 1850 still hold right now. I'm being too there it goes. 44. I'm in here. I'm in at 91. Ooh. 1791, guys. Are we gonna see a push? 66. Never mind. 1807, 1850. Still looking at 1807, 1850. I'm in here. 66 is my entry. 1766 is my entry. I want to see 18. 18, I want to see burst of volume. $19 out. I'm not seeing burst of volume. Keep watching. Watch. 4 seconds set up here. 17. No, it's kind of looks odd right now. There it goes. I'm in. 79. Whoa. There it goes. I'm out. 79 was a horrible fill. And it took way too long for it to fill. Scraping off tops here again. Peloton, you guys watching Peloton? $68, $70. Ooh, just missed that. 5 minutes set up at 78. But it's on the downside. I'm down 18 bucks on Peloton. Traded the crap out of it. $16. Let's watch this. $64. It's holding 60. Nope. 64. I'm in. I'm in at 62. I'm waiting for that break of 70. There it goes. I want it to go higher. It doesn't. Well, it did go higher. 69, 75. See, like, my entries are horrible. My entries are horrible. I need to work on my entries. I'm in at 74, and I'm out at 66. So there are instances like this, and I'm not really sure what to do about them. Those micro flushes that you get in on an initial pull, and I mean, you see, like right now, they're 78 is the entry. Okay. 85. It looks strong right now. I'm in at 94. It's pulling back too much. Unacceptable. $18 on SLPA. $17 is the high on that SOPA. We're gonna break that 20. It's not bad at 21. I want to see that 23 here. I'm in at 22. Will we see 25? There it goes, 25, 27. I'm in here. No, I'm out. Should have known better. Peloton's stupid. Pissed me off. Okay, so we're in this phase of a day where everything is moving slowly and you have pops here and there. What I do, well, I have 16 stocks on the top monitor that I'm watching at the 1 minute charts. And I basically watch for volume pop and I watch for the breakout setups. So like yesterday, we were hovering around $40, right? And before lunch, and then after lunch, we saw some momentum on stocks, and I just jumped in. You know, if you look at my stats and if you look at my past trading, I do the best when the stock has momentum and volume for scalping, right? SOPA 25. Peloton again. I got caught in both of those. The wicks here. You see the wick at 11:11 and the wick at 11:21. Got caught both times. It's freaking Peloton. I don't know if it's a good ascending resistance here, but I'm waiting for. I wonder if I can just do this. What does it look now? What about this candle? Something like this, I feel like maybe. So let's watch 24 here. I'm in at 23. I like it. No, I'm out. Not good. Still watching though. One minute and 45 seconds for the 5-minute setup.
In at 21. Good entry. I'm keeping it right now. That flash is going to be free from me. I'm in more. Watching for 30. I see volume coming in. Watch that. Out. 24 was my exit. Not good, not good. 5 minutes set up in a minute and 15 seconds, guys. It's a flat top. It's a strong resistance area. Got caught on that dump. Saw 30. Didn't get out at 30. For some reason, I thought it was Ski that who said that. Clive, you need to come on over more often. I keep forgetting that you're around sometimes. You haven't been on last week at all. You know, when you make that $100,000, it doesn't mean that you have to leave us. You know, just come share the happiness and excitement with us. Hey, firefighter. It looks like it's gonna be a $200 day again. I like Tesla. Tesla is really good setup right now at over 18. There it goes. That was a beautiful setup. Watch for that pop over. Yep. So anybody took that Tesla? I know a guy. He's actually also streaming. He does options on Tesla. And I would recommend guys to watch him. I'm actually trying to watch him and learn what he does. He has a different methodology, and I think with a little bit of tweaking, he could do much better. But whatever he does works for him. So hands off, you know. Everybody are different. I agree, Ski. Momo is gone for sure. Unless we're gonna get something like yesterday, we had no Momo in the morning, and then all of the sudden, 11:45 hit, and up until 1 o'clock, that's where I made $140, and my total profit for the day was 180. So I made $140 just for that lunch Momo. And look at Tesla. Tesla might curl here, but I don't like that pullback off of top here. 10 shares here, nothing crazy on Tesla. Well, I don't know. Nope, never mind. CFVI is under VWAP. Peloton is ridiculous. I don't understand. I can't read Peloton. Like, break of this, shows weakness, right? Then bounce off of this also shows weakness. It didn't do any of this. It shows weakness and it shows strength. And I guess that's why I'm glad I took that last trade. I took in double the size. Well, I didn't double the size. I got in on a strength twice at 21, 26, and then 25, and I got out at 33 all of the position. So made that 20 bucks back, or 26 bucks. Jeff, what's up, man? I was just telling the guys, if you make $1 million, you still have to come in and come say hi once in a while. I know you're busy shopping at Lambo dealerships and stuff, but pop in, say hi, hit a thumbs up, man. I know we're not trading at your level, but maybe you can give us a ride in your Lambo once. All right, watch this Peloton here showing ridiculous. A 5-minute setup at 36 on Peloton, guys. I'm in here. I'm in at 33. Oh, beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Did you see that pop to 64? And I'm out at 68. That's just a dumb luck. Nothing that I saw coming. I'm gonna be straight up. I'm not gonna take credit for anything of that trade. I'm not taking credit, guys. This is one of those things where you go outside to walk your dog and you see $100 bill laying. That's exactly what just happened. Firefighter, we can always ask Jeff for a ride in the Lambo while we're still scraping off the tops to get one ourselves. Peloton is really strong right now. I'm not trading it because people are getting in, and you brought a good luck. Did you make some money on that good luck though, yourself? 1 minute candle got sold into, so these people got shorted. So a lot of 1.8 million. So out of that 1.8 million, I'm curious how many actually shorted it. I'm debating if I should do a video about the computer I built for the trading setup. I don't know. I feel like it's such a cliche thing to do. Like I feel like but hey, it has views, right? Maybe I'll get some more viewers. Maybe we'll get a more Lambo hungry folks here. And guys, I'm really thinking about rotating between YouTube and Twitch. So just an FYI, if you come in and join the live stream, and you see that I'm not on, and it'll just say something like, "Hey, I'm on Twitch right now," or something like that. Just come to Twitch and say hi. I also watch some other streamers, and they talk a lot about platform loyalty. So if you have like YouTube, for example, you're into that YouTube stuff, and you don't want to really go and learn something new like Twitch platform, or you had bad experience in Twitch, or you use Twitch for something different, because you know that mentality of Twitch for gaming, I think it will be going away, because largest streams right now there are happening as a basically talk shows, the entertainment talks and stuff. So I don't and I see like stocks trading should also kind of fall into that category. I feel like the interactions you get with me through Twitch is a lot better, and I get interaction with you as well better, versus in YouTube we just get the chat, and it's just kind of lame. I feel like in this day and age, I'll still continue to do like recaps and maybe some learning videos on YouTube and pop into YouTube once in a while, but I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Maybe over the weekend I'll think more about it. But I gotta tell you, Twitch is no longer that 18, 20 years old mentality type of streams anymore. There's some badass content there for sure. Peloton, look for that bull flag. A breakout at 37.05. 8 seconds. I broke. Tesla's testing the highs. High of day, Tesla. Anybody's trading Tesla? Boom, boom, boom. Retracement. Freight train. Still watching Tesla. 55. Watching Tesla 1950 area. Firefire, you took a trade at the open in TOS? You got some cojones, man. I got burned so many times doing that. I stopped doing it. Watch Tesla. Watch Tesla over 40. 1940 here. I'm in. Come on. 67. Nope. It's gonna pull back. I'm in. Come on. 89, 60. I'm in at 65. Pull back. I'm in here again. I'm in at 56. I want to see 20. I saw 20 for a split second. 2034. I got out at 20. It's not bad, but I'm pretty much break even. I still like that over 20. Let's watch for that volume come in. I'm in. All right. 43, really? The stock moved $1. BKKT, anybody is trading that? $15.61 setup. There was a nice 5-minute setup here at 52. 8-cent move. Peloton, guys. Peloton, watch this. What's this sucker at 34? $55. I'm in for the next 1 minute. There he goes. 49. Are we gonna break? 43. I'm gonna break 50. I'm holding. I'm holding. I'm holding for 50. No, I'm out. It's a weak stock. There's people actually taking profits or shorting. Something's up at that level. There he goes. There's the pop. Let's watch it here on the pullback. I'm in. It's not pulling back. I'm in at 70, which is a horrible fill. Beautiful. Beautiful exit. $38 in common, guys. In at 72. In at 72 for the pullback. In at 63. 68 is the average. Watching here. Watching. 65. Out. Out at 81. Watch that set up at 87. 15 seconds. Wait for the pullback. There's a pullback. I'm in. I'm out. I'm in. I might have been. Yeah, I'm in late. I'm in way too late, guys. Yeah, I agree. Sergey, you caught on me. You got me, man. Watch 86, watch that 38. 30 seconds. I wouldn't take that break. I'm not going to take that break. You see that break is 17. It's holding. Let's see if it's going to hold at 70, high 60s. I'm in. Whoa. I got in the wrong stock. I just bought Tesla. And somehow I made money on Tesla. 24 cents. Jesus. 31.91. Let's see if it's strong. 76. It's holding 76. I'm in. I'm in at 73. Let's watch. No. Hard to read at this move. That trade I took at 72 and 65, the double ad. I mean, not the single ad. That was actually a greedy trade. I would not have taken that trade if I didn't have a cushion. Here's the 38 common, guys. I'm in. I'm in at 86. No, I'm out. I can't get a hang of it right now. It's like there's a fighting going on between buyers and sellers. Curl on BKKT if you're really conservative and looking for 2 cents, 1 cent scrapes. Peloton is really at the top, so it's really risky setups right now. But because it gave us that pop, that $50 pop, like I'm basically right now using that money to potentially gain some more. That's why I'm taking more risky setups, because of the cushion I have on that stock. And I'm being cautious, you know. I mean, I did give it back, what, $20 so far. I'm still waiting for that 38. I'm in here for the 38 break. I'm in at 90. There it goes. There's 38. No, man, it's a really habit. I move my mouse there. So the reason I move my mouse there is also for making sure that the window is activated, because I have hotkeys set up, and if I don't activate that window, right, my hotkeys would not work. So I just it's a really a habit, and sometimes I do get out on the ask. Really rarely, but I do. I'm in here, it's holding 38. I want to see 20. I'm in at 07. It's not. 51, $10. How did I get back $10? I saw a 3-cent profit, but it's nothing. I'm still looking at that 37.20 area. It's got to hold. People are buying it at this level too. See, like I want, it's holding that 38. I'm in at 38.01. Let's see if it's gonna push. No. It's okay. See, these are the trades I like, when you can see when it's tried to push and it doesn't, and you just get out right before that flush down. It gives you a lot more confidence when you try to read the level 2. That confirmation of what you read is actually true. Where's Marcelo with his 10,000 share scalps? Marcelo's probably back to 925. I think he does work and trade. I don't know if he's on the East Coast. Tesla, CFVI is also might have something, but it's weak. Peloton, danger zone. I would stay away. So the CFVI right here is the 1570 setup on CFVI. Peloton, if you guys are in the risky business right now, it's basically it needs a pullback. Tesla, 10 shares again. 1884. It's hovering around this area. I don't know. It doesn't really have a setup. It's just hoping for that pop again. It's a breakout setup mostly. CFVI, guys. CFVI. $64 and CFVI. 10 seconds. I'm in. I want to see bid to move up. Bid, are you going to move up? There you go, 66. 65. 67. It's crazy. The bids were at 71 and the ask, no, I'm sorry, the ask was at 71 and the bid was just staying at 66 and then back to 62. Tesla and CFVI and Peloton. DCFC, if you're into that stock as well, be careful. It has a really strange moves. SOPA is also setting up here at the 28.30 break. I like CFVI if it's going to bounce off a VWAP. So watch 71 on CFVI. I like how the volume increased and then there's a small volume on the pullback, the red volume. Tesla is setting up for that 1885 break. SOPA also at 28. DCFC also at 50 break. Watching CFVI. I'm watching for the volume. Maybe in 25 seconds. But it could happen before that. If it does, I'm going to try to get in. And wait for that roll for the next candle. The anticipation trade. 67. Let's see if we're going to see red or green. 4-cent spread. I'm in here. I saw a little live action on level 2. No buying yet. There it goes. There's buying on the ask. I want to see 71, 73 break. Red, I'm out. Still not out of the water. Still watching that 69, 68. Peloton is moving, guys. I see it top of my eye here. Tesla, nice breakout on Tesla. Really nice. I'm in here. A break of 70. Break of I'm in more here. I like the buying on the ask that's happening. They're definitely something's up here. 66, 69. 65. There it goes. There it goes. Come on. No, never mind. Out at 63. I got out really at 65, 68. And he got me out at 63. One more try, guys, here. Over 70. Same exact setup. The bid's gotta go up. The bid's gotta stay up. Bids move down. Five seconds. This next 1 minute is going to be interesting. 63. 68. There it goes. Beautiful. Out at 72. I saw 80. And I still see 80. And I see 82 right now. Oh my gosh. How am I out at 72 when there was 88 cents?
66 here.
You guys seeing any setups? I'm not seeing anything at all. Almost thinking about calling it. Just probably gonna keep it on the side here. Doesn't hurt. Because you never know when SOPA will pop or Peloton will pop or CFVI will pop. Maybe another setup on Tesla, I don't know. We'll see. Peloton is curling. BKKT broke that bull flag. Facebook popped. Peloton is weak on pops. DCFC halt is a 1023, 6-cent spread. 75 shares on DCFC. I don't know, it's kind of like the volume is well compared to the 5-minute. At 38.37 I'm in here. I'm in at 36. Let's see if it's gonna break that 40. There we go. There's 40. It's gotta move up on the bid. Bid's gotta move up. This stock has a mind of its own. The bid and ask have the mind of its own. Maybe 5-minute setup will move because 1-minute setup obviously didn't move at all. Oh, there it goes. 10-cent spread. Okay. Thank you. 50 break? I'm in here for the 50 break. I'm at 48. Horrible fill. Out. 45. Thank you for a good fill on the exit. I'm in here. Let's try if it's gonna break that 50. There it goes. 54, 59 was yeah, entry at 59 was not bad. So that's those are good breaks on DCFC. I think Sergey brought that up. I saw it on the scanner at 10:09 a.m. today too. Peloton also trying. So DCFC, watch out for this previous pop at 64 here. One minute setup and 50 seconds. So let's wait for the 5-minute setup. Let's wait for 5-minute setup. What is the 5-minute setup on Peloton looks like? Five-minute setup on Peloton also not bad. Peloton 75 shares. It's 75 on Peloton. 30 seconds. I'm in here. 65. In at 70. Let's see if it's gonna break that 75. 5 minutes setup and 7 seconds. There it goes. 75. It's gotta go. It's gotta go. It's not going. It's not going, guys. 58. 12 cents. DCFC. I'm in here. Out at 78, which is surprising because I saw 81, but I'll take it. Peloton also. Here's the break of Peloton. Freaking missed it. Let's watch for the pullback. I'm in here. I'm in at 91 and pulled 50. Greedy trade. So that pop gave me some money and now it took it all back. And that's a sign for me to shut it down. So Peloton just took all the profits it gave. I was in at 91, out at 41. 50 cents, guys. 50 cents loss. DCFC, guys. Ooh. I'm FOMOing in DCFC right now. I'm in again. For that push. 93. I'm in at 99. No. 25. I'm giving back the money right now. I mean, this push is insane. It's beautiful. Peloton.